Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper cam riser in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper cam riser. This upper cam riser is mounted at the bottom of the fresh food door, right above the door hinge. It controls the opening and the closing of the refrigerator door, allowing it to close tight. If the door is not closing and sealing properly, causing the fridge to run longer, leaving moisture on the interior of the fresh food section, check and replace the upper cam riser if needed. To get it apart, we need to remove this refrigerator side door. In order to remove the door, we need to first take off this plate, the cover plate, and then remove the top hinge. We're going to start with taking off this plate. There's a single Phillips screw right in the middle there. I'm going to take it out, put it aside, and I'm going to pull off that cover plate. Be easy because it's connected to the sensors. And I'm going to put this sensor out of the way. Our next step would be taking out this Phillips screw that holds the green ground wire. And now we are going to take this 3 10mm screws out to free the top hinge. I'm using a 10mm socket wrench. That's number 3. And we're going to lift off the hinge. Now we're going to go down, hold on to the door, and we're going to remove the door from the bottom hinge. You're going to open it slightly, support it with your foot, and lift it off. Now we're going to turn it, place it on the floor. So we can work on it. So this is the actual part we're going to replace. The part is held in place by a single Phillips screw. That's what we're going to take out now. Using a Phillips screwdriver. That's our screw. And this cam riser. This is the old upper cam riser next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is the replacement cam riser. It goes in this way. So we're going to place it right into the cutout. And I'm going to match the hole at the bottom so we can install the screw in. I'm going to start it manually. And then I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver, going to tighten it. Hold on to this cam riser while you tighten the screw. Alright, now it's ready to go back on the fridge. We're going to lift up the door and place it onto the bottom hinge. And now we're back to the top of the fridge. We're going to install this top hinge. The ground wire goes into this cutout, and I'm going to insert this in a hole on the door. I'm going to align one hole and install this 10mm screw in. And I'm using the socket wrench. Don't tighten it. And we're going to pull the door. So we're going to align all 3 holes and install 2 more 10mm screws here. Next would be installing the green ground wire. That's a Phillips screwdriver I'm using to tighten the screw. Has to be real tight. Next, I'm going to place the temperature sensor bulb into this space here. And now I'm going to install the cover. And secure it with a single Phillips screw. Alright, we're done. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.